Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the last stanza of our poem From a Railway Carriage. In the first three stanzas, we learned about how the train speed. In the first stanza, the poet told us the speed of the train is faster than the ferries and faster than the witches. And then he also told us that when the tree passes, it left behind bridges, houses, hedges and ditches. Then the poet compared the cows and the horses in the meadow to the troops in a battlefield, means to the soldiers in a battlefield. In the next stanza, the poet explained us when he traveled, at that moment he saw some hills, some plains through the window of the carriage. As the train passes, all that he saw left behind, and when the trains stopped at any painted station, it stopped for just a moment, and when the train passed from that station, it never goes back. Then he saw some child. He saw a child who crumbles and scrambles, means when the child was climbing with difficulty to gather the bambles, means wild bush of blackberries. He was climbing with difficulty to gather the blackberries. Then the poet saw a tramp, means a person who has no job, who has no work. He saw a jobless person, and that jobless person was standing and gazing. Then he saw some flowers, which petals was yellow and which petals was white and the center was yellow. Now we are going to learn our last stanza. Here is a cart ran away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. In the last stanza, the poet R.L. Stevenson told us that he saw a cart run away in the road. The cart was running on the road, lumping along with man and load. Lumping means moving with jerk, means moving with difficulty. The cart was moving with difficulty because it has a man and a load. The man was moving the cart with jerk, with difficulty, and the cart also has load in it. And here is a mill, and there is a river. And then he saw a mill. After some time, he also saw a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Each a glimpse. Glimpse means see for very short time. The things which the poet saw through the railway carriage window, through the window, everything he saw only for a glimpse, means only for a short time, because his railway was going on, and the things which he saw only for a glimpse and gone forever, means He was going forward, the train was going forward, and the things which he saw before some time, now he was not able to see that things once again. So he told here that each a glimpse and gone forever. Everything he saw only for a glimpse, and that things gone forever, means he was not able to see these things once again. Here we finish our poem From a Railway Carriage, and today's homework for you is complete question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Complete question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 in your notebook. Thank you.